to the mix, Muffins and Friends. And on the mix, we have Dwayne. And Dwayne saying that on his live about Miss T, he spoke the truth. And, he said something about her, returning to Jamaica. And he was saying that they still, she has a kid and she has her house and different stuff that she may want to check on. And that would have been the reason why she would have, gone to Jamaica to ensure that everything was okay. And to say that, she's in her child's life for a lot of time. And who would want to miss her child's birthday? So, she's saying that, those are things why she could have returned to Jamaica. However, he's saying that people are looking on different things and calling her all sorts of names and stuff like that now. So basically, he stood up. So let's go and catch the video. Remember to like, share, comment, subscribe to the channel, hit that notification bell so when I post, you know about it. And for all my beautiful lovelies out there celebrating their wonderful birthdays today, happy birthday. I wish you joy, love, peace, happiness, and prosperity throughout this your year. And for all my other lovelies and friends, my supporters, my followers, my family, whoever you may call me, have yourselves a peaceful day.
The truth. But yet still someone who clearly having a draws in on the bottom who wanna come have me up for God knows what. I done nothing. I done you nothing. I done none of you nothing. The live I did yesterday about Plankabas, we all know the live though. Well, a lot of you was on that live stream. Did I say anything that was bad? Did I not spoke the truth? I'm going to ask her, did I not spoke the truth yesterday about the live stream surrounding why Plankabas is in Jamaica? I said that woman have spent 50 plus years of her life on the island. Yes, she's now a green card holder. Why she can't go back if she want to go back? I mean, look how many people would have loved to have the opportunity where she can go to Jamaica and come back. Enough of them stuck off her and them stuck. They can't go nowhere. Did I say anything bad? Did I say anything bad? Not to mention the woman have her business at Jamaica. She have her house, she have her properties. She have many things in Jamaica. Many assets. Well, you know, says she have go back, go to and from to keep her eye pan. Did I say anything bad about? Did I say anything bad on that live stream? Is anything bad? Blessed Sunday to you, my sister Pink Somerville. Hope you're well, my love. God bless you. Thank you for coming. Did I say anything bad yesterday, people? Come on, let's just have a dialogue. You know, so a lot of you you're afraid to come in. Don't be afraid. Did I say anything bad yesterday about why Plankabas is going to? Not to mention, she also have a young son on the island. Even if it's not her blood, a birthright son, she adopted him. She have him out there and he don't have his paperwork yet to go to America. Why should she not go to Jamaica? Not to mention, his birthday was falling, I think it was on Friday. Why should she not be at Jamaica? Why should she not be on the island for such a moment? Why should she not be there? Did I say anything bad? And you see now, I am not talking to you either. Get out. I'm not talking to you. You see, yesterday, some people, they want to come act as them don't want to talk to me. I know, but I'm saying, cool, I'm going to leave you alone when I chat tonight. They want to come blow up my phone. Don't call my phone. No, that lady has her son. Exactly. Such a is it tumultuous? Such a moment like that, Joy. Why should this woman has been in this child's life from he was a child till now he's probably 11-year-old. I mean, not you know what 11, right? Why should she not be on the island to celebrate such a beautiful milestone in a little boy life? Why should she not be there? Not just that, she have her business, she have her house for look pan, she have her car them for look pan, she have, she have go check on her house. She have her house in Jamaica. She know if my keep if my keep the damn house, she want to keep it. So if it's me I got to. And not just that, she have a green card now. We all know, say, when you have a green card, you cannot stay too long out of the country, get the green card from. So, okay, why not share time? Back and front, back and front, back and front. What was the problem? Did I say anything bad? Did I? I'm pretty sure I did not. In fact, I spoke very well. And I also said, them people here, let people, you know, since yesterday, I don't know why the live went the way it went. Anyhow, when I am proud of it, I'm proud of it. People gonna make you say I'm cursing this. Me not cuss, but me tell them the truth. I told them the truth. There's Marcia Campbell, there's Tina Chin, there's Lorraine, there's how many of us out here? Why them don't go talk all them people there? Why was it just everything plankabas, and them not call her plankabas, them a call her earthquake, among other things. I said nothing bad. I am not talking. I'm gonna switch this phone off. I am not talking to you. Get off my phone. Switch off my damn phone. Don't call me. You tell me to sit in that chat to me, so leave me alone. So I said nothing bad. I'm sure I said nothing bad either. Anyways, I wake up to the now. I'm saying cool. In fact, I did not come. I never come on Facebook until I come share my post for a while, or however long. I'm gonna come probably like a comment, something along that line. All for going to one woman with the name Gloria. Gloria is people like you, but why is she going to Jamaica? Exactly, Lucina. I have family who gone in Jamaica right now. Them that Jamaica right now. I could have gone too, but me tell me says, listen, that's gonna cost me way too much money. Cause me, oh my God, Jamaica, I am hype. Me have a big car for rent. I'm very hype, and it's gonna. And not just that. Me nah, God, Jamaica on a damn economy. If I'm going to Jamaica, me I got Jamaica. I have to fly business class. I'm not gonna way. Cause once we land at the airport, more I'm going in the lounge. And yes, I know I've membership now. Where we can go in the lounge, go sit on my name and whatever. But I don't want it that way. More actually, I'm not going to the lounge. When the time go up in the plane, me know me I go right in up at the front and cock up and drink champagne and then want a glass plate. You understand? As some me stay. So I'm telling you, I am not going. So what's the problem? How many of you right now who stuck in foreign would have loved to go to Jamaica right now, go drink 2 jelly coconut, go the river, go how many of you? Why the woman should not go? You know, I realize there's so many of us on here, and some people them choose with us, them choose with us latch on pana, like latch on pana, like my ticks. Just latch on pana, latch on, like say, them have to suck blood, and until there's no blood, like mosquito sit down and our ticks, where it's just sit down and suck. This is how a lot of us on his behaving. And there's Marcia Campbell, there's Tina Chin, there's Lorraine, shit, there's Almi, there's the midget girl. There's so many of us people can talk about, and them don't want to talk about them people. They just want body shame the woman, among other things. And you know the funny thing about this whole thing? Not one of them can say, listen, she has done me this, or she's done me this, or she's done me that. Only a small minority, only a small like a speck of us out can say she do them this, or she said this what. Not to mention some of them people out there who want class and do the most. They want class and do the most. Did I say anything wrong? Did I say anything wrong? You know, I realize, you see these people, well, some of them, they have allowed people to use them. And if you look closely, when we see who I use who as them foot soldiers out here, and if you look damn good too, none of them could have used me as no damn foot soldiers, not one of them. why if them choose not like me? Because them cannot use me. I do me want do. And I just eat that. I don't care. Back up. Them for come out for the woman. Listen, me not say them can't talk about them can't the whole we can't talk. But talk what makes sense and don't come out to like say you just want to talk bad. I just bring her down, and keep bringing her down to nothing. Like, relax. Listen, let's be real. All of these people, they will never shit. Not even me. I very much doubt I will ever reach her level on social media. So what is the big deal? What is the big deal? Did I say anything wrong? Gloria, girl, is a damn idiot. Gloria is a damn fool. And I hope my commentators to me a chat right now because I want you to come here and me a chat with your big head. It's people like you that make social media nasty. You don't want to call it nonsense, but I'm going to have strength because you feel like I'm a weakness. A liar tell, girl, liar tell. Praise God, I'm trying my best to mend my dad to his. Praise God, I'm doing my best to come out here with a different mindset. You have to say, in fact, I you for thank God, you. I'm a tag and make me a chat here. You're very rude. You're very rude. Very rude. Listen, I said nothing wrong. I spoke the truth. I spoke the damn truth. We, all of us, me, everybody else, like, we start relax, right? Because what am I going to say? Only God knows. I don't know. What am I going to say? If I can say, listen, leg off for some things, why them cannot leg off fight too? Why can't they leg off fight too? Awaso, what is the fascination about this woman? What is the fascination about wanting to just bring her down? And you know, you see them with that talk look good too. It wouldn't be so bad because enough time in my life, I mean, I talk good. I said, Dwayne, you're flip-flopping, Dwayne. Move, let me flip-flop. I can't use my page to just talk bad. I just talk more bad about. Yeah, I've thought look good too. That makes you all round. You're all rounder. You don't just chat bad. You talk good about the people them too. You have to talk good about the people them too. Yes, if there's something bad to talk about, okay, talk about it. But talk about it in a meaningful way. Most of us, we don't have no damn business. We don't, we realize a lot of us out here would never expect the woman to blow up so rapidly and so quickly. But one must understand, if people did not see the good that she was doing out here, they would have not pushed and share out and keep sharing it. So videos kept going further. That is how she built herself. If not only they have seen, if a lot of us, I need to, if a lot of us had sent, we would have tried to say, yo, how should we? I even try to do it in a meaningful way. What makes sense? Try. Say, yo, ask her, say, lady, how was he able to get so big on social media in such a short time? Make tell her 2 things, make tell her 3 things. I said, all right, cool. Maybe you can go and try and emulate what she did. Use her as an inspiration. All right, cool. I get that far. All right, more I'm gonna look further. Mama try something. Did I say nothing bad, people? Let's talk on. Tell me. Me not don't want to talk. Tell me though. Did I say nothing bad? Listen, Dawn. I know for a fact when the first time I remember her getting a green card, she did say she is not allowed to be out of America more than 3 months. So she's gonna go here and back. At that, I mean, I'll tell you, I don't watch her a whole lot. I don't watch her a lot. But sometimes I go up on YouTube. Sometimes I go up on YouTube and like I live and I tap in and just listen for a little bit and go about my business. You see me? I am not a hater. I can't hate people no matter what these people have done to me. I can't hate people. But most of you out here wanna let people corrupt you, or to make people getting on the head. I've done it too, them getting on my head, but the difference between me, I did things because I wanted, not because I eat them, no. And never on make people corrupt them so much to the point where on a mindset just gone totally and never to come back unless you're changing ways. And that one I spoke about yesterday, you lady, if I had known you was this nasty on the God I love, I would have never helped you to get not even one view. You'd have to go walk like everybody else. Go walk for yourself. You are a thorn. Dwayne, with a green card, she can stay out of the country up to 6. I thought I had 3 months, but okay. Thank you for the correction. 6 months, right? It's the same thing like over here having an indefinite leave to remain. You can't be out of the country for a certain amount of time. If you go over that, you may just jeopardize your indefinite leave to remain. So what's the problem? The woman have our business. She have our house. She have our card for a look pan. Right? I don't know if she's gonna bake cakes. I don't know. How do we know she not got Jamaica for start up our cake business? How do we know? We don't know nothing. Stop it. No. Listen, I said nothing wrong. But Gloria wanna have a problem with the things I said, saying she said me I watch her and other things. But bear in mind, I heard nothing. I heard nothing Plankaba said. I was told to go look at a live stream the other day, and out of the blue, I was on my fake page. Hear me well. I was on my fake page and I saw this caption pulled up because clearly Facebook suggests lives to you. I don't follow them, but Facebook suggests pages to you, especially the ones that are on live stream. So I look at the caption and say, well, on there. The other day I went over there, I saw she's over there having a caption with the little boy, a minor child. And I don't care, I don't care what I say. For me, minor children should always be a no. I've always said this, and if you people gonna tell, if we're gonna tell the truth, you would know. I've always said children are off limits. It's no way in hell a grown up should be inserting a child in adult conversation. When I was a kid, and my mother and our friend of mine have conversation, mother said, "Look at what I want to go a child space." But with me by enough self, I would move away and I go in a corner and we'll cut ears just hear what they're talking about. So let's be real. Children should always be children until them grow up to become an adult. Maybe then they can fling them in. But for now, let them be damn children. Children are freaking innocent. And if a lot of you will understand this fundamental life principle, lots of us would have been so much further. I'm telling you, me not call name, but coming on, I know you're coming married. I'm telling this people pushing, not just our people's pushing, a lot of them. That's what them said. Dwayne, if you keep flip-flopping, you're gonna lose your views. Take on the views and go about them damn business. Tell them I'm going. I don't care. Cause I got tired of you people trying to use me to do the dirty work. Go and do your dirty work yourself. Do your damn work yourself. I'm tired of you people. But listen, me not gonna stay long. I'm telling you, girl, it's not just that one alone. There's another one too. There's others too who helping to promote that one and promoting other people too to come out here and put out a lot of hateful content. You see the difference with me? I'm gonna say all I was doing was maybe rebroadcasting someone's live stream. And to me, at the time, I thought, okay, it's laughable. I can laugh. Not realizing most of those things was actually damaging people's names, people's characters, people's brands. It was damaging. And yes, it took me time to understand. So okay, backside, I rein myself in. And why can't they do the same? And bear in mind, most of them are older than I am. Asking yourself why most every day them come out all over do a cuss, and a cuss What is the cost in getting them? Only them and God alone. Because I'm telling you, a lot of them are not, them now make no money. Shit, me now make no money. I'm not making dollar. But them now make no money either. If they make $5, if they make $2, them lucky to get $2, especially by Facebook. Go and ask Majesty. Don't take it from me. Go to Majesty. Majesty. I make last year or the year before, the money you was making on Facebook, are you still making the same money? And if Majesty says yes, Majesty, I'm sorry, y'all tell the people they lie, I'll tell them lie. Because we are not making money. Right now, Facebook owes a lot of content creators money and them not pay away. I wonder why. Facebook got popped down